Hi Libras, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 17th of August till 23rd of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright, so let's see what my Librans have for the coming week from 17th to 23rd of August. For my Librans, please, 3 shuffles. Alright, so let's see what my Librans have for this week. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. Alright, okay, so at the back of the deck it's the Devil. Okay, so I'm seeing that, okay, so this might be a bad marriage. I'm seeing might be for some of you a bad kind of a relationship which just started, and it just took like I'm seeing that there is some kind of an addiction, of an attraction towards this relationship or towards anything, whatever you are in a situation. I'm seeing that, but it is basically a more of an attraction rather than you being, it's that situation where that you will not get back the love, or the, how to say this, you know basically whatever you are giving, whatever love you are giving, I'm seeing that you are not receiving it back. Might be giving all your energies towards one thing, might be your occupation, might be your job as well, anything. So you are giving, I'm seeing, your 100% towards the situation, but you are not receiving back, receiving the results which you should receive. So I'm seeing that this might be that kind of a thing. So your past energies are King of Cups, Four of Cups and Temperance. So there was a lot of patience regarding something, but that energy where you have emotions. And because I'm seeing with the King of Cups and the Four of Cups, it's more about a lot of emotions, but holding back those emotions, just looking forward towards your growth or towards some kind of a balance. I'm seeing that where this is a lack of balance, basically, where you are not able to balance your emotions, where you are not able to control your emotions. You are just holding on towards a particular thing. You have a lot of love inside you, deep inside you, because with the King of Cups, it's a very different from Queen of Cups, because King of Cups doesn't show the love or the emotions which he has. And that is why I'm seeing that you are holding on, like being a little, if someone is giving you an advice or something, so you are not taking that as well. So it was in your past energies. In your present, you have Ace of Cups, 10 of Cups and the 5 of Swords. So this, with your Devil energy, it actually gave me that kind of a bad intention, where you have a lot of attraction towards this thing, but you have love as well. So this is a 50-50 ratio, where that it is harmful to you. So for some of you who smoke, so that it is harmful towards you, it is harmful to you, and but still you do that. Okay, so you understand what I'm trying to say. So that this is not gonna go towards a higher thing, but still you want to do that. So that kind of energy. Your future energies are Four of Pentacles, Six of Rods and the Star, and the Star. But you have that wish to become victorious. Okay, so I'm seeing that you are still holding on, you are not giving up in that particular thing. No, because you want victory, you want success in that thing, whichever that thing is. It might be a hope, it might be a wish, but there is a small spark, that still a small hope is left. So that is what you are going in your future energies. All right, so let's see what does the devil say. Let's clarify why the devil is here. The Fool. Okay, so this is the Fool. What else? Three of Pentacles and Page of Cups. So this might be your work situation for some of you, where where you are like, okay, let's start it again, because it actually gives you that feeling, that instant, that surprise kind of a feeling, that instant happiness kind of a feeling. That is what I'm seeing with the devil over here. You have a lot of attraction towards this thing, whatever this thing is. Might be a relationship, might be your job, might be a career, finances, whatever the situation is. There is a lot of attraction. It is like you want to give your energies, you want to invest your energies towards this particular thing, and you actually want to live it again. So this is something where you might have even this is something coming back in your life, I'm seeing. It's not just a new thing. It's like, might be for some of you, it's like that you have taken a pause for a while from this thing, and now you want to start again. So this might be a relationship where you have just taken a pause for some time, but when you have done the healing part of yours, and now you want it back. So that is the thing. So this is something where you are really wanting to invest your energies again, because it gives you that instant happiness sometimes, where you just get a surprise, like, oh wow, I did it. So that kind of a feeling. All right, so let's see why the King of Cups is there in your past energies. Why the King of Cups is there in the past energies of my Librans. Why is the King of Cups over here? We have 8 of Cups and 9 of Wands. So see, you had emotions. So whatever this thing is, there were emotions, but you are running away. Are you running away from yourself, or are you running away from this particular thing? I'm not getting, because your emotions are like, they're just overflowing, like from inside, that you have a lot of love to offer. You have a lot of things. Basically, you have that emotion, you have that love feeling, you have that thing in you, that. But I'm thinking that you are running away, you are being guarded, you are guarding yourself, where this thing, you are between your emotions, and you are between the running away situation. Like you are suppressing your emotions, and you're not letting them show, and this is that thing. Yes. Yeah. And you are protecting yourself. I'm seeing you're protecting your emotions, you're protecting yourself, that what will happen if I show, what might happen if my feelings will come up, what might happen. So that question mark, that what question is there in you. Yes. Let's see why the Temperance is here in your past energies. Why Temperance is here. I also feel that you are tired for some of you. Like you are tired of just playing around, just letting your emotions, show to everyone, and now you're just tired that, okay, enough is enough. I don't want to show. I just want to sit here, and I don't want anything. So you are tired over here in your past energies, I'm seeing. Why the Temperance is here, please. Why the Temperance is here. Ace of Cups. Okay. With the Temperance and Ace of Cups, I'm seeing that So this was new, this feeling was new for some of you, but it was past again, because with over here in your overall energy, I'm seeing that this might be, this feeling was new, but the the thing was not new, you know okay, I don't know whether you are understanding this or not, but it is like uh, a new energy after so many years. So this is something new, that is why you're feeling that newness, but actually it is inside you. So this is not new, it is making you feel that, okay, let's live your life again, let's start again. So okay, so now you understand, like you are starting again a life which you wanted. So whatever this situation is, whether it's a love situation or not, I'm not sure, but you are just living, you want to live it again. So that is why you are balancing things, and you are balancing your emotions now, because this was new, that feeling was new, but somehow somewhere you were feeling that I should really hide, I should not reveal what I'm feeling, what I'm thinking. Okay, so let's just be inside me, let's not show to the world what I'm feeling. Let's see. Okay, so Ace of Cups is in like your last card for your past energies over here, and in your present first card. So this is like going on process over here. So why the Ace of Cups is here, please? Why Ace of Cups is here? The Lovers. Okay, so might be a love situation for many of you, might be. So this is like you're going on, it's like giving you a lot of love, that kind of a feeling of fulfillment, and it's giving you happiness. With the Ten of Cups, you are actually getting happiness from this thing, but you are not showing. So this is that thing, you want it, but still that I should hide my feelings again, but you want it, but you are hiding. So you are playing hide and seek. I'm seeing that. Are you Librans? Okay, so let's see why the Five of Swords is here in your present energies. Knight of Pentacles. Okay, and the Devil again. See, I knew that this Devil and Five of Swords is actually linked with each other. See, it was over here as well, Devil energy, and here. So this is a really strong attraction, which is not good, I'm sorry to say, but whatever attraction is this, it's actually not giving you fulfillment, not giving you the fruits basically, and you are still waiting, and that basically that it is slow, it is a very slow process. That whatever this thing is, that it is a process, it is very slow, and you are not going to get the fruits which you desire, but still you are attracted. What to say? I'm not judging. Okay, so what are you holding on to over here with the Four of Pentacles? I'm seeing that. Why is this Four of Pentacles over here? Why the Four of Pentacles is here? Your future energies. Why the Four of Pentacles is here in your future energies? Two of Wands. Okay, what else do we have? And Eight of Swords. Okay, see, that confusion is again, that because of you holding on in your past, like not letting your feelings come out, not taking whatever, not doing what you wanted, is actually taking you towards a state of confusion. So if you are in that state where confusion is like coming up again and again, so try to make a decision fast, and then stop holding on to whatever you are in your past energies, because it is continuing. I'm seeing that it is continuing in your future, and because of that there is a lot of confusion and a lot of fear as well. This might be fear, confusion. So you're not, when confusion, fear strikes, you're not able to decide at that time. So the best time to decide is when you are like, when that I should do this, but that blockage, that blocking energy you should just get rid of that. I really feel that. So you want to be, but you want that success, you want to do that at the end. Let's see why the star is here at the end. Queen of Pentacles and the World. See that hope to gain that love or to gain that coin. Basically with the Queen of Pentacles, I'm seeing that this is a very stable nurturer feeling, but you know that you will get money from this thing. For some of you, if you are investing in some work or something, and you know that whatever this if it's a person, so it's like you are hoping that they should come to you rather than you going towards them. So you are holding on your love, you are holding on your energies, but you want this thing to happen. And I'm seeing that something, that hope of things happening towards you, things actually working on your favor. You are actually manifesting that thing, that it should work for me at the end. So that's all, Librans. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.